Hi guys, welcome today in the additional with extra sudokus or puzzles in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, June the 9th, 2021. We have here in this additional 7 puzzles or sudokus. The first one, letter sudoku. Second one, a sudoku with 2 stars. Then we have a 3 stars, the 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and only one binary puzzle. Yes, those puzzles I don't do. So only 7, and I've told you earlier I won't do them all. Only 4 of them. I will do the Sudoku with 3 stars, the 4 stars, tectonic, and a binary I will do. And the first Sudoku is a 4 stars Sudoku. Yes, this will be a number 2920. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? How about, let me see. How about the number 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 8 in this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have a 4 and an 8 in the second column, so no 4 and an 8 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes, 4 and an 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright, so we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Yes, okay. Alright. Now, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in that box. In those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 3. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 9, 2. Okay. So we have a 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay. Then 8. Yeah. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column. So no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 and a 3 in the third row. So no 2 and a 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. All right. Then 2 numbers left in the first column. For the numbers 9 and the 7, 9 and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. All right. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. We have a 9 here, so 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. Let me mark those 2 numbers. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. That means those 2 numbers, boxes in the third column should be the numbers 7 and 3. We see here 3, no, we already have a 3 here. 7 and the 4 are missing, 7 and the 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the number 6 and 2. 6 and 2. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright, so we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number is an 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in 1 of those 2 boxes in this row. We have a 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 3 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. 7 and the 4. Okay. 8, 3. Yeah. 3. Alright. 4. 4. Well. 6. 6. Yes, in the first row we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the first row. This box cannot be a 6. One of the missing number is a 6. Well, here cannot be a 6. We have a 6 there. Here another 6. So cannot be 6 there. Here another 6. So there. This box cannot be a 6. So the 6 could be here, could be there. We see another 6 there. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. There's 7, no 7 in that box. So one box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and a 9. Two boxes left in this row for the numbers 7 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. How about those two boxes? The 8 and the 2. 8 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 8 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 9. I've marked those two boxes with a 9. Now we have a 9 there. So this box cannot be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 8 goes there. Two numbers left in the last row for the numbers 8 and 1. 8 and 1. We see here 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. Alright, now we have 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8 and this box should be a 6. Alright. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. Alright. How about the 9? Let me check. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 9. Alright. How about let me see. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so the row be 3. The only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 6. Alright. One number left in the second row for the number 3. One number left in the first row for the number 7. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Then how about those two boxes in this column? The 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 7. One box left in this big square for the number 7. And the final two numbers, the 7 and the 3. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow! Quicker than I expected, because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve, and I've solved this in 14 minutes. So I give this a 1 star, because a 1 star I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 2 stars 15 to 20 minutes, for 3 stars 20 to 30 minutes, So it's a 1 star, and I'm very, very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 4 stars Sudoku we will solve. See you then. Bye bye for now.